Here's what some of our customers have to say about our service. I am very happy with the new windows. The house is more quiet and less drafty. We were interested in having Royal from the beginning. Our contact with them and their workmanship was top quality. I love my windows. They look beautiful. The windows gave my house a whole new look. Everyone that sees them loves them. I am very pleased with the quality of the product and the workmanship. It is an outstanding company to work with, and the quality is very good. The windows gave my house a facelift. They were very professional and worked together really well. I enjoyed having them around, and they explained everything to me. I really appreciated their work. With Royal, you can't go wrong. Everything was great. They were ahead of schedule and finished quickly. The installation crew completed their work for our 22 window project in 1.5 days instead of their anticipated 2 days. We highly recommend this Made in America company. They were extremely professional from start to finish. They did great work. They kept me informed and worked very hard. They were very professional. It was all done in 1 day. We were completely satisfied with Royal, from the consultation appointment to the completion of the project. We will not hesitate to recommend Royal to others. In fact, we already have. Everyone was very professional, and they scheduled when we wanted the windows put in. I'm more than happy, and I would highly recommend the company. They did a great job, answered my questions, and got someone who could if they didn't know the answer. The project is absolutely wonderful, best in the world, or I wouldn't have bought it. The company is second to none.